guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and once again we're bringing you a turbo kit installed by us, getting tuned by us. This is an S550 obviously, running our standard 6766 journal bearing turbo. Pretty much our standard kit with the FIC 1000 injectors. This is on 93 octane. We're not going to send it very hard today because this is just a daily tune, because this customer is actually waiting on parts to come in to build the motor. So then we're going to send it. So right now we're going to park the car somewhere between 450 and 500 horsepower, make it a great daily tune, and send it on its way. So we're loading the tune right now. We'll see what the first run does. If everything looks good, we'll start making some power pulls and make some power, then go drive it. Should be fun. Let's do it.
Alright guys, Mafia turbo kit with a Mafia Y pipe and I believe a Flowmaster catback. Let's see how it sounds on startup. Whoa! Kind of choppy on the first idle tune, not bad though.
Yeah, it's on warm up, it's cold.
Yeah, sounds really good actually.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Well, turn off the fan. This is the idle right now. Man, this thing sounds mean. That was a 20 roll?
Yeah, 20 roll.
All right.
Alright, there we go guys. 404 horsepower, 411 foot-pounds of torque. Super low timing. I mean, like really low timing. And on 93, so I would probably like give this as like a bad gas tune, but we're definitely gonna turn it up. That was holding like right perfectly at 7 PSI, 93 octane, and let's see if I can see what our timing was. It was a long log. Here we go. Maybe. Wrong button. Oh yeah, whopping max of 11 degrees. No knock, so basically we're gonna add some timing to it and we should pick up about 50 horsepower just like that. So we're gonna add a little timing to it, send it again, like I said, 7 PSI, 93 octane, nice and safe. We'll get it up to 450 and send it back to him so he can daily it, drive it all the way home. Should be good. Alrighty guys, so next morning, we went home for the night. We got another tune loading right now. Like I said, the last tune was 404, 411, no timing yet, like 8 degrees. So we're gonna see if we can get it up around that 450 wheel horsepower mark, nice easy 93, and call it good. So we're making another pull this morning. Let's see how it is. This thing sounds awesome. It lots of turbo noise, accelerates really good, just pulls nice and hard. So yeah, we'll just give her a little more timing and then maybe tweak some variable cam time settings. But yeah, other than that, you just turn up the boost and make more power, take a little timing away, add more boost. That's how we do it. SE takes a while, so I'm gonna stay here while this loads and then we'll hit it. guys, so we ended at about 459 horsepower. I'll walk over there in a minute. Just gonna go ahead and throw the hood on it, went for a little cruise. Feels pretty good for 93, not gonna lie. In base, it's way faster than it ever was before, so I think he's gonna love it. And then of course, we're gonna get it back and turn it up. He's also gonna put E85 in it, but he's gotta take it back home. So once it's back home, he'll put E85 in it, swap over to E85 tune, instantly make 50 more horsepower, 500 horsepower. It is looking good though, it is looking good. Such a fan of this kit. Love how we made it, looks so great. Alright, so if you just want to give her a little bit of brake, so we build just a little bit of power under it, and then just let go of the brake and full throttle it.
How much? Is it good?
Yeah, it's good, just nail it. She gets up and goes. Even with three of us in here. And this is on 7 PSI on 93 octane, so this is pretty much as low a power as I can make on this car.
Wow, that's really impressive.
Yeah, she gets up and
Really
goes.
impressive. That's awesome.
Yeah, so just imagine, even our other cars, we have them another 100, 150 horsepower more.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they move out.
That's good for wastegate right there. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's a good little pull.
Yeah.
We're gonna go right here. There, yeah, on you. You can just do it rolling too. Slam her.
That's pretty awesome. That is pretty awesome.
Yeah, they scream when they get up top, but a lot of that is that wastegate open.
Yeah.
It's dumping out all the boost. So
Right.
they're pretty loud, but just when you're cruising like this, it sounds great.
Yeah, it does. It sounds really good. I like it now that it's the way that it sounds now.
Yeah, and you can just cruise control on, AC on, and cruise, and no big deal.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Alrighty, so you took it for the first drive. What'd you guys think?
Highly impressed with this car. It's crazy. Even if we're just at wastegate, but man, it's awesome.
Yeah. Well, yeah. How do you think in the back seat?
I think I might have you guys do something to my car one day.
Let's do it, man. We'll work on anything, build anything. We do love building these 3.7s. These guys are going to come back for a built motor, waiting on parts, so we threw a used one in for the time being. That's going to be it for today, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We will see you next time for more boosted cyclone action.